Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change your birthday on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your TikTok and open your profile and click on this three line icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on settings and privacy. So we know that here is no option to change or update our birth date on TikTok, but I have a smart solution. Just follow me. Scroll down and tap on report a problem and select your account and profile and tap on editing profile. Scroll down and select your other and tap on no and tap on need more help. And here all you have to need, just write your problem. For example, I'm typing here, and here you can write little details about your problem, and you can attach a screenshot by tapping on this gallery icon here and then tap on report. And after that, TikTok will automatically change your birth date. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.